together with you. Always falling, friends are calling you. Take my heart, lovely weather, together with you.
Good morning, everybody. So, y'all, I know I'm looking really rough this morning. I'm just a mom, so if you see me looking rough, I don't know what to tell y'all, okay? If you see me at work or you see me dropping my son off to school, I don't know what to tell y'all. But I'm hoping everybody having a good morning. My morning started off really rough, but I'm not gonna let that consume my day. I definitely had to turn on some gospel music so that way I can get out of the mindset of distraction. Also just being able to praise him anyway. That's like something I'm trying to get, a season I'm trying to get into. Being able to give God glory because he gives me grace. But yeah, I'm at Starbucks now about to get breakfast. Good morning.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. I'll be right with you.
Okay, thank you. Hi, may I please get a vanilla chai tea? Small.
Do you want it hot or ice?
Hot please.
Anything else?
Yes, also can I get a medicine ball? And can I get extra honey in my medicine ball, please? And extra sugar? Okay, and that'll be all for today.
It'll be $9.20.
Thank you so much. Hi, good morning. Thank you. Thank you.
Do you need a receipt?
No thank you. So I got the medicine ball tea. It's just, I forget what the original name is. I think it's like a honey citrus tea, but this is the tea to get like if you wake up in the morning, your throat feeling a little scratchy. So that's why I got it. Also, I kind of like the taste of it, even though it's like really strong. It's like a lemonade mixed with tea. But it's pretty good overall. But yeah, I'm about to drink this. I'm about to get an extra hour of sleep, and I'm gonna get up and be productive. So I don't know who needs to hear this, but everybody room get messy, okay? And it's the difference between being messy and dirty. But overall, I just wanted to get into cleaning my room up because I feel like when you're already stressing and going through anxiety and stuff like that, having a messy room doesn't make the situation any better. So if you need a motivation to get up, this is your motivation. Usually what I do is I go onto YouTube and I listen to my pastor. So now that I have Sundays off, I'm really trying to get into the habit of going to church every Sunday. And I don't mean to say habit like it's something that I don't want to do, because I definitely do love church. But I love just calling on my girlfriends like, hey, y'all, do y'all want to go to church this Sunday? And for the most part, my girls be ready to roll out, okay? I just really want to normalize in this new season that's coming. Not putting God second and going to him first. I don't want God to ever feel like a second choice or option. And I just want to be more intentional about making it to his house of worship, you know. Technically you can have church at home if you would like to, but it's nothing like being in the house of the Lord. So I'm definitely trying to get back into church for 2024.